we are going to the last village before Everest Base Camp, from Lobuche to Gorakshep. It snowed heavily since yesterday, and I started to ask myself if it's worth it to continue. I do not want to walk. So excited that I saw Khumbu ice for the first time. Then I saw this little birdie. Before we reach Gorakshep, my new record in trekking. Today is the hardest day of my trekking, and I'm setting a new height in my life, 16,863 feet. Yes! After paying my bill from yesterday, I am getting ready. But as soon as I step out, oh my God, it's so cold. Look at the snow from yesterday. And I was asking the Sherpa, how am I going to walk? I mean, I can't. And I look around, I'm like, oh gosh, I start questioning my decision. Why would I come here? Why? I was like, first thing first, let's put my handwriting on the snow. This is me, V in Lobuche. I don't know, I just thought it might be fun. That's what I do normally when I go skiing, and I love skiing. This is my day 10 of trekking, and it's so difficult to me. And why would I do this to begin with? Hello, Everest! Just because of you. But then I start questioning today, why would I do that to myself? This is so difficult. I don't have a snow boot. How am I going to walk? And I'm sick, and what am I going to do? I didn't want to move, but my Sherpa pushed me out the door, and he said, let's go. And I have to wear full gear, including my rain jacket and then the gather to cover the shoes. But look at this guy, just like him. And then my shoes is not a snowshoe, so I don't know, it's waterproof, but I don't know how good it is. This part of the trekking is very different from the other day. I think because of the high altitude, and also we are going through a lot of glacier path, and then also the frozen river. It is snowing heavily. It just adds a layer of mystery. And when I look around, I see a lot of small little pond. It looks like a lake, but smaller than that. And you can see Khumbu ice from far. I couldn't take a lot of video because of the cold and the snow, but then I tried to take a few pictures to capture the beauty. I feel really blessed that I'm able to do this trek, which is unbelievable. At first I thought I couldn't last for 3-4 days, but today is day number 10. This is Everest Base Camp from far. It's really foggy today. You can't see anything. You can't see Everest. Cheers. This is like rock climbing. And you see the frozen ice. Popsicles. We are in the middle of nowhere, and suddenly there is a mini waterfall. There's a fountain. No, actually it's waterfall. Hello, Kalapata at the back. I'm quite surprised to see this little birdie like jumping around. He's not really afraid of me, and I just thought that it's kind of fun to just take a video of him. Do you know the name of this birdie? This is like above 5,000 meters, above 16,000 feet, so it's a high altitude bird. I think he's enjoying the snow though. I'm surprised that he's by himself. Where is the buddy? Come here. I did not see any zope or yak today. Maybe because of the bad weather, they are resting at home. Come here, come here. I enjoy watching the Himalayas animals. They are really different.
Okay, you're not coming. Bye.
I have seen more than thousands of Khumbu ice video online, and this is the first time in my life that I see it with my naked eyes. Wow! Exciting, exciting, exciting. I love it. After a long hour hiking in the snow, finally we arrived Gorakshep. Gorakshep is a small seasonal settlement in Nepal, and the major purpose is the last stop for trekker heading to Everest Base Camp. So there's no permanent population here. I don't think they have schools or hospital here. It has a few dozen of lodge and staff and tour guide, along with hundreds of trekkers passing along daily. I'm setting up a new record for myself. This is the highest place on earth that I've ever been. Yes, I made it. I'm so happy and proud.
Finally, I'm in Gorakshep.
One good tips for you. Most trekkers will pass by Gorakshep and straight away going to Everest Base Camp. However, the weather changes so much. When you get to Everest Base Camp, you don't see much. I think it's better to spend a night, which we did. And I'm happy to do that because I can rest before the next morning that I have full energy for Everest Base Camp.
5180.
Because of the high elevation, so you don't get much water here, I believe. And the water is super cold to brush your teeth again. Forget about shower. Even if you pay for me, I wouldn't do it. Sorry, no. No shower. No shower for 7 days already. I'm setting a new record as well. This is the place that quite a lot of people got high altitude sickness. I met a young lady from UK. Her boyfriend got high altitude sickness and got sent back to Kathmandu. She felt really bad about it. I was comforting her, telling her that it's only one more day we can reach Everest Base Camp. And I'm sure your boyfriend will understand that because you want to be at Everest Base Camp. I hope so. Since I'm already sick with the Khumbu cough and cold, I need something warm like the noodle soup. I need to make sure that I can last one more day. Just one more day for me to be at Everest Base Camp. I want it. I want to do it. One European couple are so nice. They gave me this medication because they saw me coughing badly. I'm staying at the end. This is a hallway that I need to climb up like 2 in the morning to go to the restroom. And it was so dark. Oh my God. And dark and cold. Good tips for you. I would bring a dark diaper so that I don't have to dress up and then get back to sleep, which is very difficult in the middle of the night. This is my room. Normally I combine 2 mattresses and have 2 blankets on top of me.
Hello, Lotte Mountain, and hello, Everest. Woohoo! So happy.
Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to subscribe to see the finale. Finally, I arrived at Everest Base Camp. Check out the view. It's spectacular. All 11 days of hard work is worth it. I went inside the yellow tent and interviewed the people that is going to submit the Everest. It was amazing. Check out this guy on the yellow jacket on the Khumbu ice. He's working hard on it. Please like and share my videos and subscribe to my channel. See you later. Be happy, be grateful.